Mehmed's cannon misfired. The walls held. Constantinople never fell. May 29th, 1453, Ottoman siege collapses. Emperor Constantine XI doesn't die in the rubble. He stands on those walls and rebuilds. The scholars don't flee to Italy. The artists don't scatter. The greatest minds of the ancient world stay, and they build the Renaissance inside Constantinople itself. By 1500, the Byzantine Empire controls the eastern Mediterranean. By 1520, its navy dominates every trade route from Alexandria to Crimea. The Ottomans, without their prize city, fracture into warring sultanates. By 1550, Constantinople is the most advanced city on earth. The Roman Empire never ended. It just needed one cannon to fail.